Okay, so yeah, hi, good morning.
Hi,
Yeah, can we
hi, morning. Yes.
are
Yeah.
we still waiting for someone?
I guess.
Okay.
Yeah. My colleague already here. Yeah. What do you think? Hello.
Hello, go.
Hello.
So, yeah.
Listening. Yeah. No?
Oh, Jara.
Yeah. We can start now. Yeah. Please go
Okay,
ahead.
great.
Yep.
Okay, great. So yeah, so this is our this
Login.
is for hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Um so this is our web login page. So as you can see here, this is we have two languages, China and English. And of course we have rule as an admin and operator. So admin is allowed to make changes for any configuration, while the operator is allowed to browse some of the configuration pages. And
Okay.
of course, on the OM50G, we have a random password that is written on the label of the box for our OM20G and 50G. And yeah, this is the CAPTCHA code to be given for access. This is authentication process for login. Okay, let us plug into the device. Okay, so here this is the upper part is the system bottom area where you usually you can see the information of our product, the extension, the software version, the MAC address. Here you can see here.
Okay. Yep.
And okay. So
Yep.
also you can also see the reboot page and the also the logout button.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah. So on the upper part, this one here is the menu bar. So this menu bars is the selection, no? So you can do the selection on the configuration area. And at the bottom is the configuration area. So let us go here, the status. So it will show the status of your device. So it will show you the LAN and WAN connection here.
Okay.
And you'll show how many analog extensions are being connected. So here I have two analog that is available. And the IP extensions, currently I have only one analog trunk that is connected and the SIP trunk. So all here shows the status of your device. And the rightmost is how many hours does it keep on running of your device. And also you can
Excuse
do
me.
a click. Yes,
Yeah. Uh, the analog trunk. Well, what is the difference with the analog trunk and the SIP trunk? The analog trunk mean, do you mean the FXO gateway, FXO, the built-in FXO, the interface?
correct.
The
Yeah.
analog trunk mean,
Yes, correct.
right? So the
Yes.
SIP trunk mean if we integrate with the VoIP gateway, like the GSM gateway or something like that, that belong to the SIP trunk, is it? Correct or not?
Correct. Correct.
Correct. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah. You please go ahead.
Okay, thanks. So here, let's go to the basic page. So here we have okay, can you see on on the screen here?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, here, so there is the name of the device. You can edit that one, and also you can select obtain IP address. And so by default, the OMIP get the IP address. I mean DHCP. So you can also set to the static IP address, and we can also support PPPoE, and also you can have the VPN configuration here. And of course, you have the PC configuration. This is the PC mode. So usually it has two mode, the switching port and the specialized port for SIP trunk. Switching port is usually this the PC port and the one port are switching ports, something like that, no? So it shared the IP address for the one. specialized port for SIP trunks, as you can check here. So we have, you can set up, no? You can, the mode is used to connect on, usually on the ONU, optical network unit. So you can have a dedicated network for your connection. And we have also the stand settings for that one. And of course, this one, the 802.1x. So you can enable this one.
Okay.
Next one is the dialing rule. So here, you can see on my screen, dialing rule.
Yeah, we get it. Okay, just a minute. What is the use case for the PC mode? The use case. Where should we use this? That
PC
PC
mode
mode
is yeah, okay, for a while.
and the
This one,
system
right?
mode. Yeah,
Yeah, this one.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So by default, we use as a switching mode for our OM, no? So if you want to have a specialized one port, this is for SIP trunk. So use one, no? So you can have you can obtain, usually if it is connected to the ONU, so you can set the applicable IP address for the resources. So you can configure the IP address in this mode. So usually you can set, for example, set up IP address or static IP address as defined on the ONU.
OMU.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. So generally, yeah, for our application, we can do like this, right? For switching port.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I assume that for VPN also here, right? This is we can also upload the Open VPN. So we support the Open VPN client.
OpenVPN client. Do we
Yeah.
need public IP for this?
What do you mean? Yeah, you need to have the Open VPN client server on your side.
So,
So
okay, okay.
you just
Yeah.
simply upload the certificate, the client certificate on OM.
Okay, okay, got it.
Okay, so we proceed to the next menu.
Yep.
Okay, so here we have the dialing rule. Um, you can select here this is the outbound dialing rule here. So also the international call prefix limitations. You can see it here, the prefix. And here for dialing method, you can select dialing without prefix. A prefix is required, or dialing with a prefix. So here, these are the according to the here, if you want to do the routing, so you need to select uh on the extensions, no? So this is a routing mode. Okay. So here, let's go back. We can select the selection sequential for analog trunk, and you can select, yeah, the trunk that you wish to do the outbound. Also, this is the say round robin. Same time, you can do least cost routing. I think this is for the ITSP. Yeah. So these are for IP trunk as well, no? So you can do sequential and round robin for the IP trunk selection. Okay, so for hunt group, yeah. So here, um, you can set the available ring of seconds, no? So the seconds of ringing you can set here. And of course, you can set number for your hunting group. Make sure that it will not coincides with the extension number or the trunk number. And you can select sequential, circular, and simultaneous. So of course, you can also do the selections for, you can select all for your do the hunting group on all of your extensions. Okay, so next is the auto attendant. Yeah. So here, there are three the time schedule, we have a customized and business hours or the non-business hours. So If you set customize, you can set the range of business hours in this is in a week, no? So you can select also the time that you wish to play to have the auto attendant. For business hours, IVR, yeah, you can also upload later on. I will show you how to upload. And you can also select the non-business hours IVR. So all the uploaded IVR file can be selected here and can
Yeah.
be set here.
How's the audio format to upload the IVR?
Here we have, I think we show here the audio format. Let me see the audio format here.
It is MP3 or WAV WAV?
Yes, it should be WAV, and there is a format that you need to follow in creating an audio file. So yeah, later on it will display here. Okay, let me check. Can you see on my screen now?
Yep.
Yeah. So here, yeah. Okay, so this is the IVR side. So you can add IVR here. Okay. Are you seeing on my side?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, for some reason that sorry for the I think there's yeah, let me check this.
ကိုကျင်းရလာ
ဟုတ်ရတယ်ကိုကြားတယ်ကိုရတယ်
ဟိုကျန်တာရှိမေးနော်ပြ
ဟုတ်ဟုတ်
အခုတလက်ဟိုဟာလေဒီလိုမျိုးသူတို့ဟိုဟာ training ပေးတော့ဗျာမေး
ဟုတ်ဟုတ်
မေးစရာရှိတယ်မေးကအကိုနားမလဲတဲ့ဟာတွေမေးလို့နော်
ဟုတ်ဟုတ်ကို
အာမနာနဲ့လို့နော်ကျွန်တော်ဟိုကားပေါ်မှာဆိုတော့သိစင်မပြေဘူးပြန်ရင်
ဟုတ်
ဟို
ဟုတ်
ဟာ
ဟုတ်ဟုတ်ကျွန်တော်ဟောလေပန်ပိတ်ထားကားတွေကအရင်မောင်းတော့စုညံ့နေရောလေ recording quality ကျသွားမှာဆိုလို့ကိုအဲကြောင့်ခဏပိတ်ထားတယ်
ဝေပေးဟောလေ
ခုနကားတွေအပြင်မှာအရင်မောင်းနေရောလေအတန်ကြီး noise recording နဲ့လေ
ဖုန်းလေးအခန်းထဲမှာမလုပ်လား meeting ကတော့
meeting ကနေသွားလိုက်ဟုတ်ဟုတ်
သွားလိုက်လေ meeting ကနေသွားလိုက်လေနော်ဟုတ်တယ်
ဟုတ်ဟုတ်
Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So here this is the requirements if you want to upload a file. So usually this is the same for tone also. So the attribute must be 8 kilohertz, 16-bit, also a WAV file. Yeah, this is the requirements and must be less than 1.5 MB. So you can upload here. At the same time, there are 3 ways to upload the greeting. So either you have you have recorded, and we have also the text to greeting conversion. So generally we have 3 choices for the audio. Is a female, male, and female in English. And also you can select the speak rate. So you can also put the text here, welcome, something like that. Welcome to yeah. You can set the text here and it will be converted to the greeting file. The same time you can do the recording. You can do the recording via phone. So we have the steps here. You can follow the steps and you can also listen and retrieve the recording according to your preferences. Okay? So here this is for the remote connection. This is for the if you want to enable the remote connection of our device. So basically we have 2 ways to connect, either using the P2P greetings connection or the port mapping configuration via your router, egress router. So Now, if you use the P2P traversal, generally you don't have to set anything on the port forwarding. So that is our one. We have advantages for the port services. So you can simply um hello?
Hello?
Yes? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks. So here, if you avail our services, so generally you have to be able to connect with our P2P traversal service without do the port mapping configuration in your device. So another way for remote connection, if you don't avail the P2P, is to use the external IP address, the server provider on your device, so, and put here and do the configuration here. Okay, so for the extension, yeah, I think so you can set here the extension, the call restriction also, and you can do the settings for the specific extension that you wish to do some features to enable such features for call waiting and call hold and so on. Yeah, let's go back. We have the advanced settings. So this settings is generally to increase the gain to IP and terminal, and of course the caller ID transmission. So if you wish to have a requirement to show the caller ID display on the phone, you can set here. So with of course it regards the requirements. And the hawk flash timer can be also set here. For IP extension, yeah, you can add here for the IP extension. You can do the batch addition of all the IP phone, and yeah, you can also have a batch configuration. You can select all the items here, and for the register options, you can also check that and set here. Okay, so here is the IP table. You can also set the IP table here. So this allow outbound call certain prefixes. So you just separate that with comma up to 20 prefixes you can set here. Yeah, and also you can set up to 30 block numbers here.
Okay. Yeah, sorry for interrupting me. Hello?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. I would like to know about the IP table. If we put the IP address in here,
Mm-hmm.
when from the IP address come to this OM, it will block that number, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Next one is a group call pickup. So you can also see it here up to 32, the group name.
Okay. Yeah, sir, hello?
Yes, yes,
I
sorry.
want to know more detail about the group beginner function feature. Yes. How it works and how should we use in the real practical world?
I think this one is generally you can select a department, something like that, no? If there are several department, so you can go say for example for engineering sales, you can group here. You can name the group.
Okay.
So
And then
yeah.
we put the extension to the group like that.
Yes, like something like that. So
Okay.
group a cool name for that one.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. And next one is, I think this one is for our NRP phones. If you are using our NRP phones, you can also do these configurations here. So normally this is a exclusive functions with regards to the our NRP phones, the BLF functions. Yeah. Also, this one is the bound incoming call. So, this function is related to our new ni hao. So we can set the bound incoming call number. So if there's incoming call number and if you have set, it will go directly. So it's just like a VIP call. So you can set or you can bound a certain phone number, and you can bind this number ring directly to the specific extension.
Okay. Yes, I would like to know if we can do nothing setting from here about incoming call. Do we need to
Um,
go where?
yeah, usually this is some functions that can be binded on using the Nihao. We have our
Oh, okay.
Nihao app.
If so, if we install Nihao software, some setting will appear here, sir.
Yes, yes, we have a settings for that one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next one is how to set the trunk. So we have analog trunk. Yeah. So this is the analog trunk. You can set polarity detection. You can also set the inbound route. So DID and auto attendant. So you can set that. If you set the ID, you can have select the DID according to the hunt group or to the extension. Of course, you can select either share or have a DID only for that call. And you can also enable the recording, and you can set on a specific on the line. Each line you can also increase or decrease the gain to IP or gain to PSTN. The
Um,
same time, you can set the advanced settings. Advanced, this is on all. So if you want to select all of the line to have the same gain to IP and gain, you can do here. And caller ID detection, you can do after ringing. So it means to say before ringing means to say before the phone rings, it will show the caller ID, already detect the caller ID. So after ringing, it so after the first ring, it will detect the caller ID. I think this is in connection with your line also, PSTN line.
okay, sir. I would like to know one thing. What is the difference between share and DID?
Sorry?
I would like to know about share and DID feature in.
Sharing the ID, right? This one.
Yes,
Okay, yeah. So outbound call. So
yes.
here it means to say that if this one the DID number will be shared to all other extension. They can make an outbound call using this the
Oh,
DID number. For
oh,
DID only, it means only the 204 can make a call outbound.
oh,
Yeah, that's the difference between the two.
okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. And the next one is the SIP trunk settings. So yeah, in the SIP trunk settings, you can add. Yeah, so here, oh, there's another one coming in. Want to join the meeting? Yeah. Hi, good morning.
Hi, hi.
Yeah. So yeah, we're already started, and yeah, and I
It's a,
think we just
yeah,
recently
it's okay.
started.
Yeah, my connection problem because I'm on the way. I'm
Ah,
going to
okay,
reach very
okay,
soon. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay,
Yeah, I will reach in yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah.
okay. So we will continue, or we just put on
No, no,
hold.
you can continue. You can continue. My
Okay,
colleague
okay,
is there.
okay,
Colleague is there.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the trunk type. So as you can see, you can select peer type, and this is for peering trunk configuration. I think we have also defined here, as you can see, this is applicable to the FXO port. And if you want to register client, applicable to the soft switch or IMS or the ITSP. If you want to register server, this is for the remote connection on FXO gateway. So you can do that. Also, the account type, we can support SIP trunk and also the Skype Connect. Yeah, so this is the settings where you can set the SIP trunk. And of
Yes.
course, you can have a quick addition. This is for, you can import the Excel template. You can also addition by batch and configure by batch. You can select here and you can do the batch configuration. Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah. Oh, you are really good.
And of course, you can do the here you can set the SIP server, and you can also register set to multiple ITSP. And of course, you can set the UA domain name as well as the SIP contact field. You can do local and the NAT address. And for security purposes also, if there's a requirements for TLS, so you need to connect with the TLS server, you can set here. And you can also have a backup. Yeah, you can have the backup SIP proxy, you can set here. And DNS SRV, you can set here also. Your DNS server. So, yeah, I think for the trunk group, yeah, you can also add here for selecting a trunk group. You can have a trunk group selection here.
Yes, I would like to know one thing about the peer trend. Yeah.
Sorry, about the
peer trends. Peer trends. When I said the peer trend, it's free to register to the server.
yeah, the
Yes.
SIP trunk, right?
Yeah, yes, citron and a citron. Yes.
Yeah.
Please, could you please? Could you please add the neutron one, another citron, sir?
SIP
And
trunk add.
here
Okay.
you can see citron. Yeah.
Peer trunk. Okay. Yeah.
Could you tell the detail about Beatron configuration steps, sir? I would like to know detail, yes.
You mean the
Yes.
details for a peer trunk
Yeah,
configuration?
yes.
Yeah. So usually the peer trunk is applicable to when an OM or a peer device have say for example they have a fixed IP address. So you generally you only have to enter the IP address, no, or the SIP server here. So as you can see, um yeah, here, yeah. So as you can see, you can have the applicable connection, no? This is usually an example. You can connect our FXO gateway on the same LAN. So all you have to do is input the IP address of the IP address of the gateway here.
Yes.
For the register, yeah,
Yes.
this one, it is usually the ITSP has a SIP track account provided to you, no? So you need to enter here their SIP server, or if they require a domain name, you need to input here. And this is the phone number, the user, and it requires a password. So to input here. So
Okay.
generally, this is for register. You need to register our OM. So have a SIP trunk connected to your ITSP.
Okay. Okay, sir. I would like to know about the Piatran. When I register in register a Piatran, I register to my official gateway. If free to register, what could be the reason? And what could be the root cause of register fees? I have set up the proper configuration, but if free to register to the official gateway.
No,
Official gateway.
I mean the
Yeah.
FXO gateway,
Yes.
the OM will not register, but it will because they have a peer trunk connection. It means a peer trunk connection. Generally, it will not show you a register status. If you select peer trunk, it will not show you a register. Yeah, say for example, yeah, this one will not show you a register success here
Yeah.
because it's peer trunk. So that's a usual. However, for register, it will show you register success. So it will show here. For peer trunk, it's just simply you're just connecting the one device, the FXO directly connected to the OM. So it doesn't register. It means to say OM will not register to gateway or the other way around. So
Piatran မှာ register လုပ်လိုက်ရင် free သွားတာတဲ့
The GSM gateway.
ဟုတ်တယ် GSM gateway မီးရ
Hi. Actually, what we are trying to do is we have the GSM gateway, Easter GSM gateway. We try to integrate with the OM50G and the TG200, the GSM gateway, but it is failed. We use the PR trend, but it is failed. We cannot register successfully.
you can so you have a GSM gateway and you want to achieve a SIP trunk connection, right? For your
Yes,
GSM gateway.
How
And
can we connect the GSM gateway with the OM20G.
So my question is, your GSM gateway also supports SIP trunk?
Yes, we connect with the IP because GSM gateway also the with the IP, right?
Yes, if
In the
yeah, but
network, yes.
so because as far as I know, there are some that doesn't support the SIP trunk features. So I would like to know if that GSM gateway do support SIP trunkings also.
Yeah. Because we can connect with we have another PBX, IP-PBX like called Saiku. Saiku
Mm-hmm.
PBX can connect with the Yista, the GSM gateway. And also Yista PBX, we can connect with the Yista PBX with the Yista GSM gateway.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
So
But we are not able to connect with the OM20G with the new route. Maybe this is
yeah,
the first time for us, so we are not familiar with your
okay.
configuration. Yeah.
Yeah, generally I think we can do have pure trunk connection, or um we can set multi-site connection for that, but I'm not pretty sure because I'm not also familiar with your GSM gateway. So maybe after this one you can give us the details of your GSM gateway, i- maybe over
Sure.
Skype. Yeah, so
Yeah.
we can work this one out, and we can also see if how we proceed for the connection of your GSM gateway.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Please proceed. Yeah. Please proceed.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So here we have also the multi-site configuration. So multi-site configuration, this is if you want to connect multiple devices, so multiple devices within the network scenario. So you can also have a connection here, no? There's a multi-site and a side-by-side connection. So that is yeah. So globally assigned, you can have a trusted IP. So generally you can connect up to 50 devices, OM devices, uh, with in any area. So that's how we can do a multi-site connections. So
This connection through your cloud or through the public IP?
yeah, if you are if you are using our P2P, yes, we can through using our cloud here one. So you just have simply use the code, the device address. This is the domain that we have to be input here. And of course, if you just set the port forwarding, you can have set here the IP address of the
I
device.
think P2P is better. Where can we enable the P2P on the devices?
Sorry?
The P2P service, right? It is built in on your device or the
Yes, it
P2P
is a
service?
built-in but you need to avail the service for that one.
Sorry, we need to buy.
You need to avail. Yeah, yes. It needs to purchase.
Sorry.
Right,
Is
Hannah?
it free service
Yep.
or we need to purchase the
Hi.
P2P service?
Yes, Hannah, right? They need to purchase the P2P service. They want to use our P2P. Yeah, I think as what I know, we you need to purchase the P2P service.
I see.
Yeah, but we offer trial for that one. You
Okay.
can you can contact our sales for this service, so you can
Yeah.
test on your side.
Yeah, we have the OM20G right now, so we can test it. You please
Okay,
share some.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next part is the application for paging. Yeah, you can do this is for the paging function. Yes. And there's three types. You can do paging, answerable paging, and IP multicast for the IP phones. You can set here the forking number and the file, casting file, and the time. And of course, you can set the schedule as daily, weekly, or as a specific date. This is the fax configuration. We do support G71 pass-through or the T38. So you can set here. And for media, you can disable or enable the codecs in this side. And you can set also the RTP minimum port and maximum. Okay, so here we offer the API interface. So as we have our own Nihao, you can connect to our Nihao, and of course you can do have a customized to a third-party server. You can connect here, and of course you need to do the necessary requirements from the third-party server. You need to input it in the site. For recording, yeah, we do have the for smaller devices, we have the internal USB flash drive, and you can also the remote recording. It could be using to the um also using our um the recording management system, and also you can have the remote recording using the when there is a network failure. Yeah,
Is
of
there any
course.
limitation on the storage side? For the it say we use a USB flash drive, right? What is the size of the capacity size of the limitation?
Internal USB, it has only we have a recording availability up to 10 GB.
10 GB.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there is an operation here, recording priority and retention priority. So recording priority, it means that it is a cycling. So when the free space is equal or less than to 500 MB, it will release a new space for that one. So it will delete the previous 500 MB. However, if retention, it will stop the recording when there is no free space available on the USB.
So we cannot install the 16 gig the USB flash drive.
Oh, if you want to have the external,
Yeah, external.
oh, currently
Internet is the built-in one, right? The 10 gig.
yes, you can only use the internal as see here, the storage mode, there is no external USB. So we don't
How about we
uh
connect the external USB?
if you connect the external,
External USB flash drive.
no, we cannot do the recording there because as we already disabled that services. As you can see, we have only option is internal, remote. It means to have a remote server. You need to fill in the recording server here. So there's no option for external USB.
Excellent, yeah.
External mira. Poco
Opa.
USB poco.
Pa.
Pa yang power gula USB. Pa tidak. Kenapa?
Okay. Yeah, we proceed?
We saw the WAN USB port on the device. We are OM20.
Yeah, yes. There actually yes, we have the external USB port there because on the first release of our OM20G 50G, we have this option for external USB. However, we found out that it will affect the operation of or some function of our device. So our R&D has decided to disable that external USB. So I think the only function for now is just to, I think it can provide power, 5 volts output, so you can charge your cell phone, something like that. But if you want to use that for the recording, you cannot do that for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually,
Oh.
Yeah. So I think We removed that maybe more than 2 years ago already because we have that option here, and we found out that due to the some risk using the external USB connection directly to do the recording, it will affect some of the functions in our OM.
The remote
So
storage. Remote storage means, okay, if let's say if we have the NAS unit, right? The network attached storage, like NAS device, I like
in
technology. So can we use that technology IP address in as a recording server?
I think if you use our recording management system, you can use the NAS.
So you mean that we need to install your software from somewhere like PC?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, you need to avail our recording management system that support the NAS capability. Yeah. That's you can also use that.
I don't think the technology can install your management software, recording management system.
Yeah, yes, the recording management system.
It's based on the Linux or the Windows?
I think this is based on Windows.
Windows.
Yes, Windows based. Okay?
Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Can go proceed. So again, you can also set here the voicemail settings here. The mail server you can input here. And yeah, the next one is go to the call barring. Yeah, so this call barring is you need to set restrict some extension. Yeah, you can restrict outgoing call to the external. So it depends on the requirements of the administrator to do these call barring features. Okay, so here is the display where you can see the status of the internal USB flash drive. Yeah, you can also do some clearing. If it's already full, you can clear that one. Say, for example, here it need to be cleared. And you can also do some allocation. So generally, we have our internal USB has 16 GB, and for default, we allocate 10 for recording, 3 for log, and another one for voice file. And if you want to access the some of the recording, so you can generally access this link, and you can see here. Okay, so that is
Recording management.
No,
yeah.
no,
Oops, sorry. Yeah, you can have the you can select here.
hold on. Recording management, so what that help you?
Yeah, so you can have the directory here, parent directory, and see of some of the recordings. So you need to log in to access the those recording also. Again as admin. Yeah. Yeah, for storage. Yeah, you can access the USB there, no? So you have to log in. Then for this is for the manager assistant. Yeah, basically you can set which assistant number you can select to the extension, and for yeah, specific extension, no? You can select an assistant to that one.
I'm not familiar with the manager and assistant feature. Could you explain?
Okay, sure.
Yes.
Yeah, basically if the primary extension doesn't answer, so the assistant will be able to answer that one. So say for example, we can forward the call to this is the 100, forward the call to 102. You can set that here. So basically there's a manager basically you don't the main thing is you don't have to miss any call to the call incoming to the manager, so it will directed to the assistant.
You mean the extension handler is not answered, the call will be routed to the assistant 102.
Correct.
Is it like,
Yes, correct. So you
it's
can
like
see
call forwarding, right? It's call forwarding.
yeah,
Call forwarding or
basically
forwarding.
you can
Forwarding or
it's
forwarding.
like that. So basically on, as I have said, let's go back to the IP extension, specific IP extension. You can also set here, no? You can set here the call forwarding features on the device.
Yeah.
So you can set here, yeah, see here. You can call forwarding all to the phone, no answer, call forwarding when busy, not answered. So something like that. And you can set the voicemail. So you can set here also. So this one is just a specific extension, no? So you can do, if there's an incoming call, forward the calls to the assistant, for the calls to directly.
Mobile number is for
Can we forward to the external number, not the internet number? Can we forward to the our mobile number?
Yes,
External
for the extension, you can set here. You can set the, yes, you can set, say for example here, no? You can select call forward. You can select the number, no? So as you can see here, you can set the, however, if you want to outbound number to the outside number, if there's a requirement to a prefix, you need to define the prefix for that one, so to be able to call the outside number.
But if we don't set the prefix, any prefix, then we just put the mobile number, the right
Yes,
number.
correct, exactly, yeah. So yeah, if there's no requirement for you, so if you did not set here dialing rule, it says you are dialing without prefix, so definitely you just simply put the number directly.
Yeah. So the CFA mean call forward answer. What is the abbreviation of the CFA?
So the abbreviation, yeah,
Of the
here,
CFA, yeah. What is the abbreviation CFA,
Yeah.
CFNA?
yeah, this one, the abbreviation for, yeah,
Abbreviation of
this
the-
one is call forward answer. This is call forward BC and no answer.
busy and not answer.
Yes,
Oh,
this one is for BC only. Yeah,
Okay,
this
yeah.
one.
Can we see in the admin guide for the definition, like the abbreviation? Is it in your admin guide?
I think so. Yes, I think so. We put there. We have in the manual. We have this one definition.
Not a beat him up. Not a beat him up.
Yeah. So I think for the CFA, so this one, I think the only thing that if you cannot do this function when for the operator, only for the operator, you cannot do this one. But for all extensions, you can do the CFA. If you forward the call to the operator, that's you cannot do that for the CFA function. For all other extensions or to the outside number, you can do that. Yeah, any questions about the call forwarding?
Yeah.
And then say, can go back.
So far, okay.
Okay, great.
Yeah, please. You can proceed.
Okay, let's proceed to the duty schedule. Yeah. So here, oh, okay, sorry. It seems that. Okay, so here is the duty schedule. So you can create the duty name, and of course you can do some selection of the prefix, and you can select if it's monthly or weekly, and of course the phone on duty extension you can select here. So which extension you wish to do that. So this is for some duty schedule that you wish to make on a specific date or specific month. Next
Okay.
one is, I think this is the advanced AI service.
Sir, could you hear me, sir? Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes. I would like to know the use case of the duty schedule. Where should we use the duty schedule in like that? Could you explain me detail, please, sir?
Oh, okay. So regarding the duty schedule, the main function for this one is that, um, say for example, you have a long holiday, right? Something like that, and it is necessary for you to answer those calls even if you're not in the office. So you can set here, yeah. So set an extension that there's an incoming call for this is the time, right? So in this
Yeah.
timeline, you can select, and when there's an incoming call, it will call directly to this extension. Say for example, also you want to cell phone on duty, yeah, you need to fill in, no? You need to fill in the usually on the extension there's a you need to fill in the mobile phone number,
Okay.
and yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yes. Oh,
that's the main purpose.
yeah, yes. I would like to know the time interval. Can we set it manually? The duty time interval. Can we set it manually?
The duty time interval, yeah, for now we have fixed this one. This is because usually this is the office hours for the
Yes.
long holidays, yeah, for something like that. But if you want to have your customize, you can select here, time attendant. Yeah, you can select the time here according to your time.
Ah, yes. Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Next one is the AI service. This is new service for us. So generally we already using this one in our domestic market. So hopefully in the near future we can use this one in Myanmar. So yeah, so uh basically this is a application that is required for some specific customers, so for the AI services. So we are already ready. So our devices already support that one for AI application. Next one is alarm notification. So yeah, this one is just um to add the if there are some issues for DOS attack, for analog trunk is abnormal, you can select here. You can set the event. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can set here. So alarm notification, a specific phone number. Yeah, yeah, that's you can set here the alarm notification, the alarm list, and the events.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes. I would like to know if the time interval we set it to 24 hour, one alert come into my phone number. After 24 hour, it come to my extension number like that.
Which one? The alarm?
Yeah, yeah. Alarm interval we have set it 24 hour. What is the meaning of the interval 24 hour? Could you explain me this? Sir?
No, actually this one is only
Yeah.
for there is a here. If there is
Yes.
an event, no, if there's abnormal, it will put here the
Yes.
time interval every 24 hours. So every day, no? Every other day. That's the
Oh,
interval.
okay.
That's how we define here.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is our new link services. So yeah, so I think this is one of our functions that highlight that you can also do avail our new link functions. This is the services that we also do offer to our customers, having that it's more easier for collaboration purposes, and you can avail these services with our new link.
So phone number.
Is it for phone? The
Yeah.
new link? Huh?
Yes, we do support the
Where we
smartphone and
install
also the
smartphone
PC.
and the desktop PC.
Yes, correct. Yes,
Oh, okay. So
you
is
can
it
you
support
can you just
Android and the iOS as well?
correct. Yes, we do support both iOS and the Android.
Okay.
So we have a PC client. We have also the mobile client application.
Where can I
Yeah,
download
I
this?
would suggest to try
Where
this
can I
one.
download the
So
PC version?
um we can share you the link. We have that. We
Okay,
have a yeah, we can
sure.
share you the link so you can try. Yeah, on your side.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
But we saw the Chinese version only, the new links, the mobile apps. When we checked, we saw the Chinese version.
No,
Only
no, we have
English. Can
a
we change
English
the language?
version. Yes, of
English.
course. You can select the language for that one. We have a
Oh,
English version for that.
yeah, we are downloading now.
Okay, great. Yeah, you can test that. This is a very nice application. You can do very good collaboration with other yeah, it's a good application.
So, do we need to purchase anything for this new link?
Sorry?
Do we need to purchase any license in order to use the new link software?
Um yeah, you need there is a yeah, you need to I think you need to
Oh,
it's a
I think for new link cost part, you can check with me.
yes, check directly
Yeah,
with sales.
yeah.
Sorry, is it?
I mean, you can check with me for the business license for the new link, but currently it's
Oh.
free for some free
Currently
for
free.
channel partner. Yeah, let's
Oh,
focus on
okay.
the technical part for this meeting. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah, so this one is also for the networking server. You can also input here. Yeah, I think one is the advanced configuration is more on the yeah system and the whitelist function. So here you can select here. You can input here the system configuration. This is more on the advanced settings. So if you want to use our UMS, you can also put here SNMP. You can have enable that one. And you can also have the auto provision. You can set here. And also with the TR069. If you want to upload the certificate, such as the OpenVPN, something like that, you can also upload here. And here, we have a predefined feature access code. So I think you already played our OM to obtain the IP address. You can use this one. We have the access codes here, the system access codes. We have also the operation codes. Here you can see here, and also you can do some modified here. Yeah, here is the routing capability, the routing call. So there are two ways. Either you can do the upper part or you can do input manually here at the below part. So you can limit the call durations. You can also make a route. So call from analog extension or IP extension, then you can select. Yeah, you can select that. And you can also have this one, select to SIP trunk and select the trunk that you wish to do. So if you want to add that role, it will be show here, or you can do manually. The same time, we have a guide at the right part. You can have the you refer to the guide for our routing table. Yeah, by default, also we have a set a dialing rule. This is to speed up the call related to the digit map. So that's how you set here. For the tone, yeah, we have a predefined. There are a lot of predefined countries already. So you can select here the country that you are belong to, or some of the country that near to you. So you can use this predefined code, or you can also customize according to the standards in your country. Yeah, this is more on the advanced SIP configuration. Regarding to the request message configuration, you can do some manipulation here. For DTMF, yeah, we support RFC 2833, audio, and SIP info. So this is the transmission method that we do support, and you can do some changes on the payload and the interdigit duration time also. for call recording, you can install the server here, server address here. If you need to install the CDR software, you can also, it's necessary to put here, and most especially the port you need to input.
Call recording, where can we find the call recording, sir?
Sorry?
Hello? Yes. where
Recording
can we
server,
Yeah, yes.
the CDR, the CDR software.
Yeah, we need to install the CDR software.
Yeah, we have yeah, you can also contact our sales for that one, but I think we can also offer the CDR installation for you
No.
if you want.
He means where can we check the call recording log, call recording file
Yes.
that is it is keeping in the internet USB storage, right?
Yeah, usually the if you want to have the call detailed recording, so you need to use our CDR software. But if you just simply want to see the logs, so we can see the logs, the running log here, or you can download the logs from our device.
No. Just now you said the recordings internet USB storage, right? For the call
Yeah,
recording.
this one, right? Yeah.
No, not the external one. For the recording.
The call record, right? This one?
Yeah, call record.
Yes. So this
Oh.
one, the call recording details. So this one there is, once you have installed the CDR software, then it will install in a specific directory on your computer. So you just simply access that and you can see all the call detail records.
So we cannot the playback any recording on your PBX.
You
Can
want
we
to play?
any, playback the recording file on the PBX.
So there are two options. You can use the Nihao. You can play back all the call recording there. So simply, if you have a Nihao, install that and you open the recording on the extension,
So I mean, if
you can play.
OM50G is the OM20 or 50G is the
Yeah, you can use the Nihao also.
Nihao. Which one?
Yes, Nihao. And
okay, because for the other brand like the Yista and the Daiku, right? So if we enable the call recording for internet,
Nada, for this issue, no problem. You can provide me your MAC address and SN address. I will apply a free license for Nihao. Then you can use the recording, okay?
No. What we want to know is is there any the recording file inside the PBX or not?
yeah,
No.
if you
Yeah. Go ahead. Romel.
Yeah. Recording file, right?
this is also what I want to show you. Generally, if you want to access the file, no. So as you have see here, there are some files that I enabled, and these are the files that you can generally find on our device. So here we have the WAV file. So basically, you need to convert that also. You need to convert that to the audio file. So you can see that as what I have shown here. No, this is on our device, the built-in recorder.
Okay.
Yeah, you
But
can
the
download that,
format
but you need to convert. You need to convert that
Oh,
to the
oh.
file. Yeah,
Then
but
later.
Nihao is very convenient, so that's why we suggest to use Nihao. So we just simply click and play the recording.
Oh.
Yeah, or they can use the recording agent. You can use the recording agent. Okay.
Okay, we will try. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a bit different
That's
with the
good.
other brand.
Yeah. So here it's secure the security part. This is most important usually for such applications that require security. Yeah, this is the part where you can disable or enable the SSH port. So yeah. So here you can also change the password, and you can also ping or unblock that one. And you can change the web management HTTPS port or the HTTP port. And you can select the level of voice security. So prohibit the outgoing extensions on any public network or according to the user agent field. So you can set that. This is more on the protection to access our OM. So we can also set here the firewall. Yeah. So when enabled, they will only the access whitelist will be able to access the web GUI or the SSS interface. So you need to input the IP address. So you can select the IP address that is authorized. You can have the SSH or the web access management. Brute force login is here. This is you can set the time, no? So when this is the web GUI login, so here you can select the time that it will lock. So you can set 10 minutes. By default, we have set to 10 minutes. Okay.
Talk of it, seminar big.
Yeah. The next one is the dynamic defense. So yeah, here. So here you can add a rule. Say for example, all the local port, anybody access our local port using the UDP, TCP, or all, if it exceeds 300 packets per second, it will add that IP address here, no? So all those incoming IP addresses that wants to penetrate the local port shall be added here directly. So it will detect. So that is a dynamic defense. So it will be added to the blocked IP addresses. So they will be no longer be able to access the device if you set the rule here. That's one of the features that is very important with regards to the security of our devices. Encryption, this is more on the signal encryption. If you want to enable the RTP with regards to the message, the SIP message, the header, or the body. And we have also the T38 encryption. And the SBC as well. If you want to connect with the SBC, you need to set here. Yeah, that's the security functions that we support. For system tool, if you want to change the password, is here. If you want to upgrade the device, you can set here. Select the license. You can also input here. Import and export the data. First, you can do the import here selection or export. If you want to export the voice, the network, or the audio files. So generally, when you deploy to the customer, you have to export the data for your backup. And you can reset the factory settings here. TDM capture. Yeah, you can have the analog capture when there are some issue with the voice call. It is necessary to provide us with the TDM capture. With regards to the SIP messages, some connection with the regards to the network, you need to have the ethereal capture. And most importantly, you need to set the time to be synchronized with your primary time server. You can also do the diagnosis using ping. You can do here. And last but not the least, you can upload the voice prompt packages in this page here. Okay. So you can select here. Okay, so generally, if there are some issues, this is very important for us, for the technical side, to be able to help you diagnose the issue. You just simply download the log. So make a if there's an issue, you can download the log. And with regards to the DS level, the log level, so by default we select to 4. So generally we can see that one. But if there are some informations that we need to see, if say for example the voice is choppy, or only one voice is one-way voice is has an issue, so we need to have the RTP event, and you need to do a call and download it. So if you want to connect with the log server, you can also set the syslog server here. So generally, if you set here, all the logs from our device will be forwarded to your syslog server. So that's how we function here. And of course, if you want to see the running log, yeah, it's in the current call, you can see here. And of course, you can refresh that one. Call message, that is regarding to the messages, no? So you can also download the SIP messages that is happening on, or the call message on your device. Error log, we can see here. Yeah, you can see here the sum of the error log. Yeah, you can connect, you can set here. And for the startup is to show at this is usually the boot log, and you can see the events that is happening in the during the startup here. Yeah, I think that's almost, I'm done for the presentation for the web GUI. So maybe there are some questions or clarifications that we need to address, so I will try my best to answer them.